Pro-Russian media are claiming that an Israeli F-35I was hit and damaged by a Russian-made S-200 surface-to-air missile during an Israeli airstrike in Syria earlier this month. Israel says one of its F-35s was damaged after colliding with a bird. The story begins on October 16 when Israel announced that its aircraft had struck a Syrian SAM battery near Damascus that had fired 2 hours earlier on Israeli reconnaissance planes flying over Lebanon. The attack damaged the missile battery and no Israeli aircraft were hit, according to Israel. Coincidentally or not, the incident happened the same day that Russia's defense minister Sergei Shoigu arrived in Israel for talks with Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Defense Minister Avigdor Lieberman. South Front could not resist pointing out that a much-vaunted F-35 stealth fighter had been hit by a missile that dates back to the 1960s. This Soviet-made missile is the most advanced long-range anti-aircraft system operated by the Syrian military. However, the evidence cited by South Front seems rather tenuous. Hours after the Israeli military announced the strike on the Syrian missile battery, Israeli media reported that an Israeli F-35 had been damaged by a bird strike 2 weeks before. The plane reportedly landed safely, but the Israeli Air Force did admit that it wasn't sure whether the plane will fly again. Israel has taken delivery of only 7 F-35s so far, with a total of 50 on order. The incident allegedly took place 2 weeks ago but was publicly reported only on October 16. South Front noted, however, Israeli sources were not able to show a photo of the F-35 warplane after the bird collision.